precision and creativity.
And I am Jansi Rani. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of ticket printing system of Highway Express together.
Now let's start with introduction. Java is a popular oriented programming language. It provides some control statements like looping, decision making, point control. These are used to interact in our project. It with two stations and print the need format into the ticket. These are the problem statements we use in Vaigani train tickets.
These are the objectives of our program. In this we use for loop, if loop, for loop for the calculations of distance and if loop for how the discount is applied for the passengers, and also we use switch to know the type of the passenger. These are the objectives of the Vaigani Express train ticket program.
Then these are control statements. They are hidden. For loop equals brake, switch and declining. For loop is used to display the station choices and calculate the distance. Equals to provide discount for senior citizens and adults. Next, switch. It is used to classify them whether the passengers are child or adult. Next, brake. It is used to execute the cases inside the switch. Inlining. It is used for display the arrows between the stations in the routes. Here are some input details. In this there are passenger age, gender, seat number, destination, board destination and destination.
Here output details. When we execute program, then the output will be the train name, passenger details and distance, ticket price. It will be printed on our ticket. Here this is the algorithm for our program. In this we use selection statements and looping statements to display all those passenger details and train details, passenger type, etc. And this is our flow chart. In this program, we display passenger type, either they are adult or child. Here we use the for loop to calculate the discount. According to their passenger type. If adult, then the discount will be differ from the child. Here is our code for the printing of the ticket. And starting we start the program. Here this we use the scanner to take the details from the passenger, like name and other. Here we use it to store the destination points and what is the starting point of the journey. And we also give the stops of the Madurai Vaigani Express from Madurai to Chennai. These are the stops. And also we give the distance between each stop to calculate the fare calculation and the distance calculation. So this is the first part of the code. And this is the code we used to enter the passenger input. It is look like questionnaire. So this is the code to choose the boarding station. Here boarding station means from where we going to start our journey. So this is the code to choose boarding station. We use the for loop to choose it. Choose the destination station. Here we clearly mentioned that the train will start at Madurai Junction and ends its journey at Chennai Egmore station.
Now we see the distance and fare calculations here. Here we select the distance and we calculate the price according to the station. Here we will calculate the distance and fare. Calculate the switch here.
This is the application form of ticket. To print this ticket and the route loop we use the for loop to print it. Here is our
discount prices like before the child has something different to price and the adult has different price. So we use the else statement and also we use the switch for the passenger type like he is adult or child. So in conclusion I would like to say that in Java in this program we are